What's up, you guys? This is D from the Income Pub coming at you again with another video. In this video, I am going to show you something that I've been testing out and it seems to be working really good. I haven't even started yet with pushing it the way, I'm going to show you guys how to do it. All right. So I want to leverage the power of video marketing and utilize YouTube to promote some affiliate offers. So basically, the entire process is going to be all on autopilot. It should only take you about 2 to 3 days to get it all set up. But this is the process. You're going to create 30 to 45 days of videos. So that's 1 or 2 videos drop in a day. All right. So if it's 30 for 1, then it's going to be 30 videos. If it's 2 for 30, it's going to be 60 videos. All right. You're going to optimize the video titles and descriptions and with amazing keywords depending on what affiliate program, which affiliate offer you select. Then you're going to schedule all of those videos to drop daily. Make sure your links are in the description. Okay. Now, the way we're going to create these videos fast and easy without showing your face is we're going to use an online software called Content Samurai, plus articles and blog posts. I'm going to walk you through and show you some examples as well. And then if you stick with me to the end, I'm going to share with you my little secret sauce of how to make your videos easier from pre-written articles, okay? Also, a little bit of a linking tip, how to properly link your affiliate offers. All right, so let's go ahead and jump right into it. All right, so I found an offer that I want to promote, and that's going to be the hip flexor offer. All right, so I created a article, and here's my article here. So I'm going to go ahead and grab this article, and this is all you're going to be doing, you guys. It's going to be cut, copying, and pasting, and a little formatting, and you're going to have your video created. Then we're going to jump over to Content Samurai. Now, if you go to Content Samurai, by using my link that's in the description, you're going to be able to get a 7-day trial. And you can do all of this in those 7 days. I've done it. It's possible. I would not tell you that it is if I haven't done it myself. All right. It's very possible. All right. So let's go ahead and jump right in here. So we're going to go over to create a new video. All right. Boom. Create a new video. We're going to select your template, whichever one you desire. Don't waste a lot of time on this side of things, okay? And then just make sure that your selection is on video from an article or blog post. All right, so I'm going to keep it real light. I'm going to select this one, use template. It's going to bring me here, and then I'm going to go ahead and paste my article into this section and save, give it a name. All right. Give my video a name, and then I'm going to go ahead in here and format this. Now, the reason why I'm formatting this is because it's a piece of software. It's not going to know when to end a sentence unless you provide the proper punctuation. All right, so let's go ahead and check this out. Well, first things first, what I like to do is I like to separate everything. So I'm going to get in here, remove, push everything down, all my ending sentences. This you don't have to do it this way. This is how I do it because it makes things a lot visually easier for me. So let me go ahead and do this. Boom. I'm gonna make this real quick for you guys. Okay, and I'm back, and I went on ahead and formatted everything. So now let's go and look for punctuation and spelling errors. All right, so let's go here. Let's make sure we got all this stuff fixed. Any errors that you see, go ahead and ignore that. All right, now let's drop our punctuation in. Well, you guys, if you guys haven't seen this software, basically how it works is I'm going to be using a script, which is this right here, which is going to be read by voiceover. And usually if you don't provide the correct not the correct punctuation, but some type of punctuation at the end of the sentences, it'll just keep reading on. So it'll read this, like if I didn't put a period here, it'll read all this all together until it got to the period. Okay, so I wanted to stop here. I possibly wanted to stop here too. Okay, all right, flexors. All right, so and then I want to provide in this video we will go over, let's see, the importance of your hip flexor. Boom, that's it, period. All right, okay. And then at the end, I want to put in, for more information, let's go look at the offer itself. Let me see if I can grab something from the offer. Okay, we can actually use this for the beginning as well if we wanted to. But let's see what we got. Let's see. They have a ton of information here, and you guys can also use some of the information that's on the website as well to create your videos. Okay. All right, so let's do this. Unlock your hip flexor as a protocol. Okay, let's use this. Yeah, let's do this. That in there, so we could take out this part, put this in, and then format this. Factor easy and follow program. Okay, so let's get this all formatted. Period. Space. Enter. Oh, what? Actually, was that the? Yeah, that's it right there. I guess we can use the whole thing. All right. Let that speak for itself there. All right, and then check the link and my description. Details. Now, I wouldn't do it like this, but I'm just for the sake of this video, making it quicker. I would actually sit here and have this thought out a lot better than this. All right. So okay, so we're not formatted here, so let's format here and here. A big ass sentence. So make sure run-on sentences in this article. All right, so let's go. Now, the next thing you want to do is come down here to the blue button in the bottom right hand corner and create your scenes. And what it's doing right now is actually picking out specific keywords that it's picking up in the actual article to help you create a video. Okay, so now let's look at hip for this one. And then we can use this for that. Okay, that's fine. Let's go to the next scene. Hip flexor, and we can do this one. Yeah. Okay. You can even take images and videos from whatever offer. If the offer provides you with some images and videos that you want to use, you can definitely use that. All right. So push-ups, most underdeveloped muscle group. Strength training, that's fine. Despite their importance, is a wide range. Like to sport activities. All right. So typically, what I would do is I would go through this entire thing a couple times, make sure it reads right, make sure the clips are matching up with the actual video. I mean, with the actual wording and the actual theme of the video and the offer that I'm actually trying to promote. All right. But since I don't want to have this video to be super long explaining everything while I go through it with you guys and all that, I'm going to stop it here and just create the video. Okay, I'm going to go to the next step so you guys can see how it works out. But usually you would go through, so we got 75 scenes to go through. So you would just go down each one of those, make sure it fits for now, and then you would come over here, select your voice that you want to use, or you can upload your own voiceover. You can just use music if you want to and have people read the screen. I like to use the auto voice. So let's pick Harry to talk about hip flexors, and let's hear Harry.
Hi, my name is Harry and I would love to read the script.
Okay, yes, Harry, you can read the script. So let's go ahead and preview video. Let that do its thing. All right. So here we are at the final product. Pick your music. You can listen to it here. All right, let's use that one. Let's preview this sucker. I was waiting for this to come up. I guess it had to load because I dropped new music in. All right, so let's go ahead and check it out. But look at that, we got a 4-minute video to actually upload to YouTube. Not only can you make money off the affiliate offers that you're going to be promoting as well, but if you do this on a consistent basis, you can actually create a decent channel around some of these, like I call them infomercials basically, because that's exactly what they are. You know, so these are infomercials. All right, so you can just sit here and just click on play and listen.
Go over the importance of your hip flexor. Hip flexors, the most underdeveloped muscle group in strength training. Despite their importance to a wide range of athletic and sporting activities, the hip flexors are the most neglected major muscle group in strength training. It is very rare to find training programs that include hip flexor exercises. By contrast, there is usually a great deal of emphasis on exercises for the leg extensors. There are some obvious reasons for this comparative neglect. The principal muscles involved in hip flex.
Oh man, that sounds amazing. So now you like the video, you want to go ahead and get it rendered and get it all together. You want to click on this blue button right here where it says looks good, continue, and boom, now it's rendering and you're good to go. You copy this right here. It's basically acknowledgement about the images, about the clips being used. You can read over it here, but I read over it already, so I just copy that to my clipboard, and then I generate my video. And then it's going to take a little bit of time to download, but it's not that long. It's not that long at all. It's nowhere close to what it takes to render a video in Final Cut. All right. So let's go ahead and let it do its thing, and I'll be right back. All right. So the video is done. Now it's just time to download the video and get it up on YouTube. All right. So, but first of all, make sure you guys go ahead and click that subscribe button and then tick that bell notification right next to it so you can get a notification every time I drop a video. I'm dropping a video every single day. All right, so let's go ahead and download our video. Get that all set up. We can name it. We can rename it. You know, we can do what we want. My computer is acting crazy right now because I have so many windows open, but that's it. That's basically the entire process. And then you just upload it to YouTube. I know you guys know how to upload to YouTube. All right. So now, as I promised, I want to give you guys a little bit of secret sauce on how I do it, how I make it work for me a lot faster. Okay. And it's a free method. You don't have to pay anything for it. You don't have to do anything. It just takes a little bit of time to create an account. This is the best way I've seen that helps me do it. Instead of trying to write out all my articles and get everything done, what I use is I use PLRs. And I don't use paid PLRs. I use free PLRs that give you entire rights the same way as a paid PLR would be. Okay. So let's go ahead and slide over to that site, and I'm going to let you guys check it out. All right. So the site that I use is Killer PLR articles. All right. And as you can see, I got this actual article from that site. All right. So it's 750 words. That's a nice, decent article size. And if I wanted to, what I would actually do is I could take this and put it onto a site, and then put my affiliate links throughout here and add some additional info, kind of switch some of this stuff up to make it a unique article, because you just don't unless you're using it for the videos. And if you want to use it for an article, you want to change this up. You don't want it to be the way it is, because you won't pass any plagiarism scores on the internet. Okay. So you want to switch it up. Again, the site is Killer PLR Articles. You create an account. It's totally free. And then it's going to come up. You're just going to click on this button here. This link here. And let me see. I'll walk you through it real quick. Look, check it out. So you click there. No, this is not it. Hold on. Let me see. Here we go. You click here. Free article. Once you log in, you click there. It says free articles. And then you can type in anything you want in here. So let's say Man, what? Let's say you were doing something on affiliate marketing, right? And you wanted to create a video for a product in the video affiliate marketing space, right? So you would just search for that. Okay, so once you come to this area here, you're just going to click on one of the links. Now, this is not going to be the article that you're going to use, right? What you're going to do is you're going to scroll down to these articles, and you see how they give you the word counts. Pick the biggest article, because it's going to make the largest video format. It's going to give you a larger video, and now you get the full article. Look at that. You see that? All right. So this is 722 words, and again, the site is killerplrarticles.com. I'll leave a link in the description for you guys, and this will actually help you guys very effectively. And the other tip I have, even after you leave your link in the description of your video, once your video goes live, go back to that video, be the first person to comment on that video with your link, and then click on the 3 dots to the right hand side of your link and pin that comment. Okay, pin that comment to the top, so no matter what comes after your comment, it's not going to push your comment to the bottom. Your comment is going to always be at the top. All right, these are my tips and tricks to help you guys speed up the process and, you know, get more sales on your affiliate offers. All right, again, this is D with the Income Pub, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Oh, make sure you guys like, subscribe, and comment. All right, I need those comments, I need those likes, I need those subscriptions. So please subscribe. I'm dropping a video every day, so click that notification bell to the right so you get notified every single time I drop a video. I'll catch you guys on the other end. Peace. What are you waiting for? Just do it. Click the subscribe button. Jeez.